I'm today in front of me Sony Xperia Z5 Premium, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then just tap here to the wallpaper section. Here you should just you can select the new wallpaper from the device album, from the device photos, or for example just previously downloaded from the internet, from the live wallpapers, or from the default Xperia wallpapers. Here you can just select one from these wallpapers, just tap there, tap here to set wallpaper, and we want to change the lock screen. So tap here to the lock screen, and now we'll check. As can you see, we just successfully changed our hot lock screen wallpaper. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.